Figuring out your taxes can be taxing, but this year the tax deadline is April 17th, so taxpayers have an extra 2 days to sort through what they owe or what they are owed by Uncle Sam. IRS spokesperson Raphael Tulino joins me now to offer some tips. Raphael, the economy is still sputtering. What if you find out you owe the IRS money, but you don't have a lump sum available? Will the IRS accept a payment plan?
Yes, and as a matter of fact, we began a posture a couple years ago, and we continue it this year. We realize the IRS realizes a lot of taxpayers are struggling. In other words, they have a balance due and they can't pay it. The advice is this: file the return, okay, and then do pay something, and let the IRS know that you're in a position where you can't full pay what you owe, and then we can enter into an installment agreement plan and that kind of a thing. There's an offer in compromise, too, for some folks who may qualify, but the installment agreement plan is probably for most, and basically that's a chance to pay a little bit per month based on what you have as a tax obligation to make it easier for you and the agency. Now, that said, real quick, just recently we increased the threshold for the online plan, which you can qualify for. It was under $25,000 in debt. We doubled it to under $50,000 in debt. And that's all part of our Fresh Start program, which we also began a few years ago, and we continue now to help taxpayers in that situation.
So if you can't pay a lump sum, are there any special fees or extra documentation that you've got to provide?
Well, there is a little bit of a fee for depending on the plan, the installment agreement you get involved in. But the bottom line is, do pay something. Do let the IRS be proactive and let us know that you're in a position that you can't full pay. Let's work together. We want to be a help and not a hinder to those folks who have those balances due.
What about people who are unemployed? Is the IRS cutting them any slack?
Yeah, part of the Fresh Start program actually just instituted. Same thing with the doubling of an installment agreement was a benefit for those who have unemployment. If you were unemployed and you have a balance due, there's a chance to where we'll waive a little bit for 6 months of your taxes, the penalties, which could be a little bit of a less that you might owe. And that was also in the Fresh Start program. The bottom line is unemployment generally is taxable. So just want to keep that in mind. Unfortunately, a lot of folks get unemployment and they realize, oh, I have to pay tax on it. But do let the IRS know. We want to work with you to take care of this thing.
Okay, two other categories of people. You've got the military. San Diego's home to a lot of military personnel. Are there any special rules that apply to them when filing? And also college graduates who are paying off their loans. Do any special rules apply to them?
Well, student loan interest is deductible. So answering the second part of that first, so if you're a student loan interest, you can deduct that on your tax return as a student. And then going over to the military, there are dozens and dozens of special laws that exist just for military personnel and their families, armed forces personnel and their families. I know that's indigenous here to San Diego. So the IRS website at irs.gov, if you keyword search IRS Publication 3, which is the Armed Forces Tax Guide, it is just full of all of the special laws that exist just for military personnel and their families. Are
there any really, really good free IRS online programs helping people do their taxes?
Right. You can get free online at irs.gov at our Free File program, which is generally free tax preparation for a federal income tax return. The key there is $57,000 or less of income. So you link into our site, check out Free File, choose the software provider that we are in partner with, link out of our site, go into their site, file your federal income tax return for free. Key is the income $57,000 or less. And then in the community through our volunteer income tax assistance sites, which are up and running throughout the county through April 17th. And that's generally simple returns, $50,000 of income or less. And you can find one of these sites by going to 211 or the IRS website at irs.gov. Through April 17th. So there's lots of ways to get free tax preparation as we make our way through the deadline,
Tax season seems to bring out a lot of scam artists. Tell us about some of these scams.
Okay, the most pervasive and the most common is phishing, and that's with a PH, in your inbox, the IRS initial contact. Hey, it's the IRS about this refund. We don't initiate contact with taxpayers through your inbox with an email about a refund or a survey or a probe or such. Unfortunately, with tax season comes the scammers, and they're looking to use the IRS as a lure to get you to provide personal intrusive information through phishing, not the IRS doing it. The other thing we see are promoters actually, let's say at a church gathering, promoting to you as a senior citizen, for example, who has really no filing requirement or little income, to file this return, a physical return for a tax credit that exists, but based on your situation, you're going to get it. They're trying to peddle a bogus refund to you based on things. Just bottom line is just be careful out there, because if it seems like it's too good to be true, whether online or not, chances are it probably is.
Very quickly, where can people get more information on this?
irs.gov, irs.gov is a wealth of tax information.
Raphael Tulino, thanks for speaking to us.
Thank you.